Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive in a 1968 Plymouth GTX. Now this convertible looks beautiful. I believe they only made about a little over 1,000 of them like this, so think about it, from 68 till now, how many are left on the road. Now it is beautiful. If you get up close, you're going to notice minor paint chips, little flaws here and there. But like I said, you have to get up on it to actually see those. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Turn on those notifications so you get updated anytime we do a video. And the purpose of these virtual test drives are for you to be able to take a look at the vehicle out in the sun, try to virtually put you in the driver's seat from wherever you are. So you can see how it runs, what it sounds like, how it handles. For all additional information, engine size, 100 or so extra pics of the undercarriage, interior, we put it on the turntable. All the detailed write-up, all the information we have for it. You get to go on over to volocars.com when we're done. It even has the selling price there. Really is a beautiful car. I love the convertible look. It's just the color, everything. The interior looks great. I see it looks like it could use a little bit of re-dye here. Oh no, that's just a little bit of dust. Looking closer at them, I'd say these have been reupholstered. They actually look really brand new. Door shuts nice. You have your cluster gauge up top, your battery, fuel gauge, engine temp, speedometer, tachometer. It is a power top. You get to use that right there. Your wipers, washer, everything looks pretty good. Let's start it up. Starts right up. Go ahead and put on the seatbelt. This is an automatic transmission. What I noticed is it's missing the shift indicator down there. It's an easy part. Let's check out the radio.
Playing by the rules in the other parties.
Radio works. Seeing the tachometer works. The battery's moving. We'll check out the engine temp. Keep an eye on there. Fuel gauge went up to quarter tank. The interior looks really nice. I'm not seeing any scrapes, tears, or anything. It looks really beautiful in here. Back seat too. Looks like the carpet was redone recently. Very nice. Jay has all that information, so if you want to go, when we're done, go on over to volocars.com, like I said, give you all those details. Now this is the first time myself or anyone from the shops had a chance to take this out, so we're going to be experiencing everything firsthand here. So anything we notice. Fan kicks on. All right, let's go for a ride. I'm gonna start off just kind of cruising around, getting used to it. I see that indicator up there works. We're gonna take a look at that one over there on the right side. Drives nice and straight, sounds good. The brake felt really nice too. Overall, great car. Not just great to look at, but fun to drive. Has the tilt steering wheel, I like that. Is nice. Brake isn't too soft, not too firm. Hearing very minor squeaks going over these bumps. Overall feels like a really nice solid car. Accelerator's responsive. far, this is a really nice driver too. Let's get on a little. That 440 is real nice, easy to handle, shifts through the gears, real sweet. Noticing the speedometer is off, bouncing around. And yeah, the engine temp gauge should be moving. That's something we're going to take a look at. Let's get on it again. God, it has plenty of power. This is just an awesome ride. All right, I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Like I said, if you haven't already, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications, and now's the time to head on over to volocars.com, read up on this, and then give our sales department a call. As always, I appreciate you.